Hey guys, I'm Evan, and this is Safety Optional, and today we're starting a new project here. This a beautiful pickup. That's right. Our goal is to make this look like this. But first we got to make it move. Let's get started. Creak it.
All right. She's not. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not pushing the clutch. Just the front. She's not cranking. We better check the hood. Hood's not popping.
Yeah, the hood should pop though.
You know what? Hang on. Keep pulling that release. All right.
Back up 3 feet.
Woo! This is a fine piece of engineering. This is a fine piece of engineering. Most of this truck's moved in years. I can steer it. I don't have any brakes. I don't have brakes. I don't have brakes.
We got her in the shop. Wow, what a piece of priceless vehicular history right here. So the first order of business is going to be getting the hood open. Gosh, the rat poop. Hold on. People joke about rat poop in their engine compartment, but yeah, that really is rat poop there. That is pack rat poop. Yep. Yuck! Well, I've been working for a few minutes and I got the cover off and got the shifter pulled out. Dr. Colin got the rear drive shaft removed. So, next we got to disconnect all the stuff under here, bust the mounts loose, bust the tranny mount loose, and then pick this thing out of here if we're lucky. So Eric's underneath, unbolting the transmission from the cross member.
Colin, you getting it, bud?
Yeah. Gusto is unbolting a couple of things that are hanging in the way. We're about ready to pull this whole thing out of here. Oh, so close. Oh man, well, I'm soaked, Colin's soaked, Eric's soaked, but every once in a while we look like we know what we're doing, don't we?
Yeah, just cut a bunch of stuff and take some bolts off and...
And you can definitely see the characteristic Jeep motor mount failure going on there. Those things are toast. But she's out, everything's out, so next step would be to clean her up, remove anything we don't need, find a V8 to put in here.
All right.
Thanks for watching this episode of Safety Optional. This is part one of our truck project. Who knows how many it's going to take. We're going to go little by little. We're not going to rush. But made a lot of progress tonight. We got the truck pulled into the shop here. And we got the engine pulled out. So we're going to finish cleaning up. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.